Welcome to the sixth and final session of Competitive Strategy. Can you believe it? You almost made it. So today, and finally, we'll focus on strategic aspects of product design, or to put it differently, we'll ask how to design your product wisely. When talking about product design and creativity, there's actually no better place to be than the University of Fine Arts in Munich. So thanks very much to the University Board for hosting me today. I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I do. What's on the menu for today? We'll start out with a phenomenon that's commonly known as the Bertrand paradox. Put very simply, in a theoretical world with reasonable assumptions, two firms that sell the same products may end up in a perfectly competitive situations and make zero profits. That's a horrible scenario for any firm. In reality, however, we see that there are some aspects that lower the competitive pressure and make it possible for firms to earn a substantial amount of money. The interesting bit is that firms do not have to take these aspects as given, but they can actively try to influence them in their favor, which actually makes it relevant for business strategy. And we'll take some time to discuss this in detail. One aspect that's particularly important is product differentiation. And we'll study the difference between vertical and horizontal product differentiation, and we'll see what firms can do about it and how it's going to affect profits. Later on, we'll discuss some generic strategies of product design and pricing. Specifically, we're going to look at cost leadership, differentiation, and focus. We'll figure out the problems related to being stuck in the middle between these different strategies, and we'll look at ambidexterity as one way of solving these problems. So all of these topics have a high practical impact, and they're relevant for many business decisions. So let's get started. But before we do that, let me mention there's going to be ice cream. See you very soon.